Welcome to Learning Spanish with Cuya Manzano, your Spanish friend. I'm born and raised in Spain, and I'm also Filipino, that's why I speak English. And I'm very happy to share with you whatever you need to know about learning Spanish, alright? So let's go. Here we will learn in a very informal way in using English as the base to teach, as the vehicle to teach. We'll teach grammar, we'll teach how to hit on people, we'll comment on movies, we'll talk about literature, about the recent news, all for you to learn Spanish in a very easy way, There'll be lessons from beginner to advanced. Little by little, we'll have songs, we'll have with lyrics, so you can follow and analyze and sing along songs also, so you can sing some duets with me and record yourself even, and then we can publish them together. So, and anything you want to learn, just send me a message. I'm Cuya Manzano in every social media network, and you can find me and send me a private message and suggest a topic of something you want to learn. Sorry for my very messy desk and everything. I did this because I find many people online that don't have the money to pay for private lessons or go to an academy. So here it's gonna be free. It's online. I'll do it probably once a week, and I'll be very happy to help you. If someone wants extra classes or private, I can go on one-on-one on Skype for a small fee. And I don't know. What else? ¿Qué necesitas saber? Dime todo lo que necesitas saber. Que no se me olvide. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to anyone who wants to learn, because you're gonna be doing them a favor. Estarás haciéndoles un favor. Ahora tenemos que ayudarnos todos. Vamos a propagar. Who is Cuya Manzano? This guy. He's a Spanish and Filipino actor and singer, born and raised in Spain, doing theater for the last 21 years. But my age is not something you should be worried about. And I don't know, I'm here to help you out. As a Spanish actor, we really carry the language. We're very particular with the language, so we study it, we care for it. It's our second love. That's if you have a girlfriend, of course. If not, it's your first love, I guess. Hola, hello, hola, hola. We're not supposed to really be teaching in this video because it's the first only introduction. But hey, adios, adios, goodbye, adios, goodbye, adios, hasta luego, see you later, hasta luego, amigo, see you later. ¿Sí? 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 No. ¿Sí? No. Muy bien. Bien, bien, muy bien.